This is a 2010 Honda Civic. This car has a manual transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, an electronic throttle, fog lamps, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.